minutes.
She just said they can't stand it, so you can't stand during the show.
I know.
You're not taking it.
Now I am.
You just want to.
Yeah.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. For the safety of our performers and all our animal actors, please remain seated throughout the performance and do not reach out to our birds in flight. Thanks, and enjoy the show.
Calling all animal actors to the set. All animal actors to the set. Places, places, please.
Gotta shoot this now. We're losing the light. Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set, everybody. This is for picture. This is for real. Quiet on the set. Can you settle, please?
Stage crew, let's clear the set, please.
Okay, who had the non-fat triple foam soy milk grande latte?
Ladies, you're late. Please get yourselves into makeup and wardrobe right away. Makeup! Craft service. We'll break for lunch after we get this shot.
Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, I'm Sandra Porsche. I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is Lila. She's an African auger hawk. She's featured in the film Evan Almighty. When I was in high school, I used to watch The Tonight Show, and I saw Joan Embry. And right then, I realized I wanted to be her. I'm lucky to work with a great team of animal trainers who truly care for, love, and respect all our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal Animal Actors, we hope you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers from Birds and Animals Unlimited, Miss Sandra Porsche.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon! Welcome to Universal's Animal Actors. My name is Sandra and this is my friend Logan. We both work for a company called Birds and Animals Unlimited. We've been training animals for movies and television for over 40 years. Many of you may not know that some of your favorite animal stars are rescues. And just like Logan got their very first start right here on this stage in front of a live audience. A little later we're going to show you exactly what our animals had to do before they got their first break. But for now, Logan, you are all done. We'll see you later. Let's get things started with a friend of mine from the movie Ace Ventura: Pet Detective. This is Sparky. Now we train our birds to fly from person to person. To demonstrate this, I need help from an adult volunteer, someone in the middle section that wants to help me out work with a bird. Let's see. You're too close. All right, let me see. I need someone just the right. How about a gentleman? Looks like, well, you're wearing sunglasses and you have a black and gray striped shirt. Gets you, sir. Stand up. Stay right there and take out a dollar bill. Now, the reason I asked this gentleman to take out $1 is because Sparky doesn't know this person. We train our birds to recognize and fly to a specific object. In this case, it just happens to be $1. You have one? Go ahead and fold it in half. One more time. Place between your two fingers, arm out like this. Sparky will see that dollar and know exactly where to go. Very nice, Sparky. Hey, it's a 20. Thank you, sir. Anyone over here with a $50 bill? No? Oh, way at the top. We need to get this back to you. Let's see, where'd you go? Go ahead and stand back up for me, sir. Put one arm out. You know, let's make it a little easier on Sparky. Put both arms out. Perfect. Now flap real hard and you fly down here and get it. Just kidding. Stay right there. One arm out, palm facing up. Sparky, he's a great sport. Go ahead and return that. Now place it gently in the palm of your hand. And folks, that's Sparky. Thank you, sir. You did a great job. So did you, and you are all done. That's our stage hand. Not only do we get to work with cute, adorable birds, we also get to work with larger, more challenging animals like birds of prey. In Universal's Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches a hawk with precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. Let's recreate a little bit of movie magic. Focus your attention to the corner of our arena. In that box, we have a bird that you might have seen from the movie 3:10 to Yuma. This is Arrow. And a beautiful flight from Arrow. Very nice, Hannah. Hey, Hannah, come on over here. I have a little favor to ask you. Let's see. Where did that man go with the dog? The $20 bill. Where are you, sir? Go ahead and stand up for me, sir. Let's try this bird. We're just kidding. Sit down. Thanks, Hannah. Now, Arrow is a captive-bred African auger buzzard, part of the raptor family, a group of birds which consists of hawks, eagles, kites, falcons, vultures, and owls. I'd like to introduce you to a couple cousins to Arrow in a rare close-up appearance. Kim is holding Olympus. Olympus is our Eurasian eagle owl. You might recognize Olympus from the Harry Potter series. Santa is holding Lila. Lila is an African auger buzzard. You might recognize Lila from the series Bones. Now, raptors are known for their amazing ability to spot food from a great distance. Although these birds are not endangered, many native birds are. So we here at Universal ask that you do your part for both the animals in the wild as well as captivity, so these majestic birds never become endangered. How about a hand for Olympus and Lila? Thank you, ladies. Now, I don't know about y'all, but my favorite kind of movie is a scary movie. And what would a scary movie be without a scary animal? Yes? All right, so we are going to bring out another animal. Focus your attention to the corner of our arena. All right, I need to move. Listen. All right, we have a dangerous bird, okay? But hang on to your children and we'll be okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Slasher. Oh, here he comes! Everyone, hold still, don't move! Oh my, that was spectacular though! I've never seen him come any faster. He must be hungry.
Stop clapping!
Just put that bird away, Ariel. That went well, way better than I thought it would. Last show wasn't too good. All right, so moving on. Now, if you try to photograph Slasher as he flew by, you realize how difficult that shot would be for a camera person to film. To demonstrate how we've overcome that problem here in Hollywood, we're going to use help from this green screen, our giant fan, and we are bringing out our stunt bird. This is Pepper, our blue and gold macaw. Lauren will hold Pepper up in the strong current of wind generated by this giant fan. Later on, we take the green screen and